It begins as cotton, white, fragile, ordinary. But in the hands of India's women, it became something extraordinary. A quiet cry for freedom. When Gandhi picked up the charkha, he didn't just spin thread. He spun defiance. Every rotation was a rebellion. Every fabric, a flag of self-respect. But very few know the finest khadi came from Kumilla, Bengal. Threads so fine, they shimmered like light itself. Spun in courtyards where stories and songs mingled with the sound of freedom. Today that Kumilla lies across a border, but its rhythm, its courage, still belongs to us all.
খাদি বিলুপ্তির পথে, শ্রম বেশি, খরচ বেশি, এবং দিন দিন খাদির চাহিদা কমে আসছে।
The same cloth that once united a nation now struggles to find its place in the world it helped create.
তুমি কি জানো বাংলার একটি সাধারণ হাতের তৈরি কাপড় পুরো ব্রিটিশ সাম্রাজ্যকে কাঁপিয়ে দিয়েছিল?
Khadi was never just cotton. It was courage made visible. The heartbeat of a nation, woven in sweat, sacrifice, and silence. Khadi, not just cotton, courage, spun by hand.